Sunday Debate with Arnab Goswami, presented by Yes Bank and Kent RO, powered by Ola, Siska Wires and Cables and Hetic Fittings.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Sunday Debate. Last Sunday we were sitting and debating the 2019 campaign. We were wondering where all this gali galoch is leading. 7 days later, as I bring you this Sunday Debate today, which is at a time when 186 seats of the next Lok Sabha are locked and are sealed, the entire focus, the rhetoric and the issue in the last 7 days has found a new buzzword. And that buzzword is Dharma Yudh. Dharma Yudh. And it has all happened with one ticket to Sadhvi Pragya. With one side going around and it is outraging that it is all about the ticket to Sadhvi Pragya, and the other side is proudly declaring that 2019 is not an election, it is a Dharma Yudh. The question really is, has the 2019 election become a Dharma Yudh? Who is making it a Dharma Yudh? Has either side pretended that they have not dumped the issues and made it about Dharma? And since I'm unequivocally going to be against both sides, I am asking tonight, what is the Dharma Yudh doing in an election for a secular India? So there will be questions to all sides tonight. I welcome you to debate fiercely. And with me today is Gaurav Bhatia of the BJP, Prafulla Ketkar of the organizer RSS, Monica Arora, Supreme Court advocate, and J.K. Beniwal, who's a Dharma Pracharak. On my left, I have Sanjeev Srivastava, senior journalist, Nishant Verma, supports the Congress party, Suneet Chopra of the CPIM, Fahim Beg, Islamic scholar, and Asad Khan Falahi, who's a well-known Islamic scholar. I thank you all. 1.5 minutes to start with. And the subject is, has the 2019 election become a Dharma Yudh? You can tweet saying yes or no. I begin with one speaker on the left. Who'd like to start?
Okay.
You want to start? Okay, Sanjeev Srivastava says okay. Go on, Sanjeev.
At least that way I'm sure to have my 1.5
Have your
minutes.
1.5 minutes.
After that I can be silent.
No, not at all.
Okay. First of all, I really want that you keep your word that you'll be unequivocal.
Against both sides.
On both sides.
I always am.
And I'll also be very honest.
Yes.
In this particular game of making it a Dharma Yudh, actually both sides are to be blamed.
Yeah.
You know, you can always blame the Mayavatis. You can always also blame the Digvijay Singhs of the world who have raised certain absolutely crazy bogies about 2611 and Butler House, whether that was crazy or not, but Butler House's point of view. But 2611 was completely crazy. But I think we have hit a new low in our polity and in our public life, when somebody like Sadhvi Pragya has been given ticket, who is out on bail, facing terror charges of Malegaon blast in which 6 persons were killed. So where does it leave the Prime Minister Modi's nara of A, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, B, that there is no good terror and bad terror, terrorism is the same everywhere, and so I think, and Digvijay Singh maybe, you know, I think it is a new law for politics also, because politicians should be pitted against politicians, maybe newcomers or old-timers. And we have had maverick contests in the past.
Correct.
When Bachchan was put up against Bahuguna in 84.
Yeah.
But this is certainly, I really can't imagine. And it was made a Dharma versus Adharma Yudh by Amit Shah ji only, when he said it is a third battle of Panipat, talking about Marathas and Muslims, Mughals. So this is, the Dharma Yudh has been continuing, now it has become completely overt, which I think somebody like Mr. Modi...
And you completely blame only the BJP for it.
Well, I have...
Not Mayawati,
I have blamed them.
Not Asaduddin Owaisi.
If you heard me, I started with blaming them.
No, but you talked about what they did in the past. You're not talking about what they're doing now. You're not talking about what they're doing now.
They need to be more responsible.
So the responsibility is because they're the ruling party.
Pragya's candidate.
So Mayawati can be responsible.
And Economic Times has an editorial that she should be withdrawn.
Does Economic Times also have an editorial on Owaisi? No. Does Economic Times have an editorial? Does Economic Times have an editorial on Mayawati?
Arnab, a right-wing conservative party of the 21st century, stooping this low just to win an election and polarize the entire electorate across North and Central India. I think it is a new low in Indian politics.
Right. And how would you describe Mayawati? Is she a
she's
left-wing socialist party?
Two
Is she a left-wing socialist? How would you describe Asaduddin Owaisi? So Asaduddin Owaisi's degree of wrong is less.
Yes, I would say
so
that.
he's
say
never
that.
used religion.
Yes.
He doesn't use
Everything,
religion.
a 1 rupee chori is also a crime and a murder is also a crime.
Okay, opening on this side, Gaurav is responding.
You know,
1 minute.
Yes.
Arnav, I was hearing you very carefully, and you said, "क्या ये धर्म युद्ध बन गया?"
जी.
I would like to differ from you. ये धर्म युद्ध नहीं है, ये युद्ध है पंथ निरपेक्षता का. What is secularism? Is secularism that Mayawati appeals to the voters that all Muslims should vote for me? Or is secularism when Sidhu says 64% people in the constituency are Muslims, so therefore they should vote for one party? I think it is time to reassert that every citizen of the country
Are you playing the religion card? Please address the issue.
I am addressing the issue and in my own manner. Please give me uninterrupted time. I am making a very important
I'll give you
point.
time, not uninterrupted.
Yes.
Huh.
Yes, you may make it interrupted also.
Yes.
The choice is yours. So the point is very simple. Stop treating the majority, especially the Hindus, like second-rate citizens. As Manmohan Singh once infamously said, that resources of the country belongs to the minorities and the Muslims. That time is gone. And I would take a lot of pride in suggesting, Sanjeev ji, that look at the speeches of Narendra Modi ji. For the BJP, it has been about national security first. He's spoken about eradicating corruption. He's speaking about the Tughlaq Road scam. He's also speaking about the farmers, the women. It is uninterrupted time. Arnav, ये पता है ये तरीका क्या है आपका? मैं आपको बताऊं, ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट में ही आप लोग कूदने लगते हैं. मैंने लिखा इनकी बातें और उसी पे मैं बोल रहा हूं जो बोल रहा हूं. आप भी लिखिए अपनी बारी में बोलिएगा. So, and I would like to, differ from Sanjeev ji said, in an election, it doesn't matter whether you are in power or you are in opposition. The responsibility lies with every leader because he's going out to win the trust of the people. And that is why an irresponsible opposition has failed the people of the country even before the results are out. Last, I would like to say that Arnav, with great pain, I say, on one side is Digvijay Singh.
Please complete your 1.5 minutes is over.
Digvijay Singh coined the term Hindu terror during 2008 only to appease a certain section in the society, and Sadhvi Pragya being tortured, being, somewhere insulted, still is standing strong against Digvijay Singh. So on one side is a person who actually coined a term Hindu terror, the other side is
coining the term is one thing and giving a ticket to a terrorist.
I want to. Thank you. I heard you all.
Not
This
the
is
same crime.
I have been silent and patient. Don't test my patience. Now let me tell you. You have put up posters, and Gaurav, you listen and let the others also speak. You have put up posters with images of Sadhvi Pragya in the BJP's Delhi office, which say, "Ab hoga nyay."
Bilkul.
No, this is just 1 minute. Don't come. You are trying to derail the narrative. And you are playing. Listen, let me complete my question here, please. Don't these exclamations don't work.
No,
please.
I'm asking you. Derail the narrative.
Yeah, you heard. You don't understand English. 1 minute.
I do.
He said
better than you.
Yeah, then better
Yes,
than me.
and
Then I don't have to
especially with the
repeat it
legal
twice.
knowledge I have.
Yes.
I will quote the High Court
But
order.
then I'm saying, 1 minute. She says, I said, you are trying to derail the narrative and play the religion card using someone who is still, rightly or wrongly, a terror accused.
What about Kanhaiya Kumar, Rahul Gandhi?
He is not a terror accused.
No. Sedition
He is not a
charges.
terror accused.
Sedition charges. So
Secondly,
Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi both out on bail. So they should also not contest elections.
Where is Adityanath? Not out on bail?
No,
Is Adityanath out on bail or no?
Stop shouting first of all.
No, you have been shouting for 5 years. You have been shouting for 5 years. Is Yogi Adityanath on bail or not?
If you have the strength
One question only.
and honesty,
पूरे
you can
2
make your
घंटे
point
के
without
प्रोग्राम में
shouting.
एक ही सवाल
What do you have to
है.
say
Stop
on
it.
Rahul Gandhi?
There's only one
Sonia Gandhi
question.
and Kanhaiya Kumar.
Entire India.
Citizen
The
charges
nation
are
wants to know
equally
from God desperate charges from BJP. The country wants to know only one thing. You talk of Rahul, you talk of Sonia. Is Yogi Adityanath on bail or not?
We are not
And
if Sonia is on bail.
there is nothing to disagree, but please agree. Yes. And let BJP say Adityanath on bail.
You wait, I'll come.
Does the law of this country
Prafulla,
has
don't try to
partnership in government in Bihar.
Nishan.
Is Nitish Kumar not on bail? For what?
Can I
For murder
please-
charges. For murder charges.
Prafulla.
Your chief minister,
Prafulla.
on bail.
Sir, will you please wait? Will you please wait? If you wait, you will not respond.
क्या हो गया ये? क्यों चिल्ला रहे? चुप होइए. This is not the way. You can make the points with civility.
Yes.
गलत सही जो भी है चिल्लाने की क्या जरूरत है? What is your point? What is your point? समझ नहीं आया इतनी देर आप बोल रही है. समझ नहीं आया आपका. आप मेरा टाइम लीजिए. Ask your question. Ask your question. Without shouting. Without shouting. Without shouting.
Sir,
Preparation बढ़ जाएगा. आपको एम्बुलेंस बुलानी पड़ेगी. I'm worried about this.
I request you, thank you, all of you, don't respond, don't respond. You encourage it when you respond, please don't respond. Thank you, Nishant, thank you, Nishant, thank you. Falai, look here, please. Mr. Falai, there are 2 phases down, and I will ask questions on both sides. 5 phases to go now, as far as this election is concerned. Each phase is becoming more and more about religious appeasement than other issues. Is the opposition also confused on issues? Why are you playing the appeasement card? Let me explain this to you in detail. Sunit Chopra will agree with me, but our question is to you. CPM manifesto explicitly says compensation and rehabilitation to all those Muslims who have been acquitted in cases of terror, ensuring punishment of officials responsible for implicating Muslims in false cases, not Hindus in false cases, Muslims in false cases, subjecting Muslims to torture. The question, no, allow me to complete. You can't interrupt it. Allow me to complete. This is supposed to be a secular country. Sadhvi Pragya also, it may turn out, may get acquitted. Allow me to complete the question.
No,
you don't understand the
you are trying to
context.
set the narrative.
You
She
understand
is
the context. You know, this interruption is not required. Listen to the question. The question is, may get acquitted, another issue. You understand. No, you have to stop and listen to the question. Please listen to the question. Hear it enunciated and then speak. The question is this. Hindus can also get acquitted in cases, but CPM says compensation only for Muslims acquitted in cases.
Your question is complete.
It says Muslims.
No, let me answer.
It says Muslims. Shame on you.
It says Muslims.
You say Muslims. Why not Sikhs? Why not Buddhists? It says Muslims.
Listen, I have a whole book. I have a whole book.
Cannot be falsely.
Now I'm supposed to answer or not?
No.
Are Hindus second-class citizens?
Are you going to give me time?
Are Hindus second-class citizens in this country?
Please.
Are Hindus second-class citizens?
Please.
will give terrorist tickets.
No, please. No.
I object to that.
No. Okay, Falai.
Sorry. Cannot use that.
Let Falai reply. Falai's reply. Falai's turn. Falai's turn. Nishant, let Falai.
You have objection of Muslims.
I have objection to Muslims being marked out for compensation when people from any religion, any religion can be falsely acquitted.
आप बोलो ना, मैं तो आपके सुनने के लिए
मुझसे पूछा तो जवाब देने देंगे।
बैठा हूँ. बोलिए.
आप जवाब
बोलिए.
Because can you please give me the one name of Hindu where he is acquitted by the Supreme Court?
Yes, I will.
Single one. In a terror accused.
मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ.
All are Muslim, those who were acquitted by the Supreme Court. I have a whole book.
Don't speak over
those who were acquitted by the Supreme Court.
You will have to let him speak. Don't do this.
Imran, Saifuddin, Zahiruddin, Atif, Nisaruddin, they were all falsely framed in terror charges.
हिंदू हिंदू टेरर थे। आप ये बताइए, एक मिनट फलाई जी, आप मुझे एक क्वेश्चन है, आतंकवाद का धर्म,
objection of Muslim, why they put the name of Muslim? Because all are Muslims. Those who were charged.
सीमानंद, साध्वी प्रज्ञा, कर्नल पुरोहित, इनको भी तो फॉल्सली फ्रेम किया गया। हिंदू टेरर का निकाह किसी ने किया, आविष्कार इसी ने किया।
मुझे oh my God! And for your kind information,
Praful, listen. After him,
information,
don't tackle.
You were the first one who arrested Sadhi Pragya. It was the BJP government, Shivraj Singh, who arrested Sadhi Pragya Singh in the murder case of Sushil Joshi. And you are talking about the Congress, and you are blaming the Congress.
मत होइए, कोई गुस्सा नहीं, हम लोग आपस से बात कर रहे हैं। या आप सही है या मैं सही हूँ?
तो गुस्सा
आप सुनिए,
मैं क्या,
बॉम्बे हाई
दुनिया की यही रीत है, अपने लिए उस हजारों औरों को नसीहत होती है।
देखिए,
आपका मामला यही है।
आप दिक्कत क्या है? अफजल गुरु को अगर फांसी सर्वोच्च न्यायालय दे दे तो आप लोग कहते हैं ये न्यायिक हत्या हुई है क्योंकि वो मुसलमान है। अगर इशरत जहां पकड़ी गई और रॉ के चीफ ने कहा इंटेलिजेंस के बेस पे ये आतंकवादी है तो आपने उसको बेटी बुला लिया, लेकिन साध्वी प्रज्ञा क्या देश की बेटी नहीं है? जब तक कन्विक्शन नहीं होगा आप लोग डबल स्टैंडर्ड क्यों अपनाते हैं? यू नो अर्नब, आई रीड फ्रॉम द हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर, सुन लीजिए, आपके भी काम आएगा, चिल्लाइए मत।
नहीं, मैं बोलने नहीं दूंगा। आपने 2014 में जो वादे किए थे वो फेल हो गए पूरा करने में, तो अब आपने नया नैरेटिव सेट कर दिया ताकि देश की जनता को
मेरे पे वादों से कभी बात ना करिएगा। आज चर्चा वो नहीं है, लेकिन
मंदिर तो बना नहीं पाए,
4-5 वादे वो बता देता हूं जो कांग्रेस ने
गंगा तो सफाई नहीं कर पाए,
हेल्थ पॉलिसी लाई ने 2004 में कांग्रेस ने कहा
आप डॉलर के मुकाबले में इंडिया को इंडियन रुपीस को मजबूत नहीं कर पाए,
किसानों को सम्मान निधि दी हमने, उन्होंने कहा था
ये कोर इश्यूज है इंडिया के,
जो गरीब है उनको रिजर्वेशन वादा किया कांग्रेस ने, हमने पूरा किया। डिबेट हो गई खत्म, अब वापस हिंदू टेरर पे आएंगे। चुप हो जाइए, इधर उधर की बात मत करिए। कहिए मायावती ने गलत कहा, जब मायावती ने कहा मुसलमान एक, आप वोट बैंक के किसी के पिछलग्गू है कि कहे मुसलमान सारा वोट देगा? अरे आप नेशनल इश्यूज में वोट करिए। जिस आदमी ने ट्रिपल तलाक की लड़ाई लड़ी आपकी महिलाओं के लिए, उनके लिए आपके पास वोट नहीं है। आपके पास वोट उनके लिए है जो सचर कमेटी और रंगनाथ मिश्रा कमेटी की रिपोर्ट 8 साल कूड़ेदान में डाल देता है, उनके लिए आपके पास वोट है। शर्म आनी चाहिए। इसीलिए सबसे बड़ा जिम्मेदार वो लोग हैं जो अंधभक्त है स्यूडो सेकुलर पार्टीज का, जिन्होंने केवल राजनीति चमकाई और आपके समाज के लिए कुछ नहीं किया।
धर्म के नाम पे तो इब्ने रुश्द
तो कहिए ना कि राहुल गांधी ढोंगी है, हम तो उनको चुनावी हिंदू कहते हैं, आप भी कहिए चुनावी मुसलमान है, वो केवल भेद बदलते हैं जब चुनाव आते हैं।
In English, Avrosh is a Western philosopher.
Okay, my फलाई
आप कोई
एक केस पिछले साल में आप कह रहे हैं ना एक केस बताइए जहां पे रिलीजन के नाम पर पॉलिसी इंप्लीमेंटेशन में डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हुआ हो या रिलीजन के नाम पर केस दाखिल हुआ हो। मैं आपको 10 केसेस बताता हूं यूपीए में, मैं 10 केसेस बताता हूं समाजवादी पार्टी के रूल में जहां पे ये बताया गया, ऑफिशियली बताया गया कि हमने सीपीएम से ओनली मुस्लिम टेररिस्ट
सड़कें बनाई हमने, उस पे भी हिंदू मुसलमान
एक्चुअली रिलीज 6 टेररिस्ट फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान फॉर falsely creating this Hindu terror narrative. Where are those 6 terrorists who were released after Samjhauta blast? Why they were not implicated? I am talking about the Pakistani nationals who were released.
Where is Masood Azhar? Where is Masood Azhar?
Where is
Masood Azhar? Who released him?
Arey Baba, you are a studio terrorist. You are a studio terrorist.
And BJP
you don't want to debate real issues. I don't want to debate with you. You are a studio terrorist.
Because you cannot. Because you
give me a single example.
Why Masood Azhar release किया? आप terrorism को बढ़ावा देते हैं। अच्छा,
Prafula, wait. Prafula and Nishant, sit down. Nishant, you can't. Nishant, you got to wait. Nishant, you got to wait. Nishant, don't.
देश को गुमराह करते हैं। अभी आप रिवाइंड करिएगा, रिवाइंड करके देखिएगा।
चलिए अब मैं उत्तर लीजिए, मत
इम्प्लीकेट क्या? कौन से कोर्ट ऑर्डर को पढ़ रहे हैं? यही तो जज है।
आप सुनेंगे भी, आपने प्रश्न किया, उत्तर ले लीजिए।
देशभक्ति का सर्टिफिकेट जब बांट सकते हैं तो आतंकवादी होने का भी सर्टिफिकेट बांट सकते हैं। इसमें कौन से ताज्जुब और आप चाह रहे हैं कि बात है?
मैं आपकी जानकारी के लिए बताऊं।
साध्वी प्रज्ञा को
मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, मैंने तो कहा ही नहीं, मैंने कहा ही नहीं, मैंने तो कहा ही नहीं, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ इट वाज द फर्स्ट बीजेपी हु अरेस्टेड साध्वी प्रज्ञा सिंह
यूपीए ने जो
इन टेरर चार्जेस,
उसका जवाब
शिवराज सिंह चौहान ने,
साध्वी प्रज्ञा के आने से साधारण कामों का जवाब देना पड़ेगा, उससे डर रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल शिवराज सिंह चौहान जी ने पकड़ा था सबसे पहले। अरे ये लो स्टोरी में ये लीजिए,
अधर्म किसने किया था?
बताते हैं अधर्म किसने